using a T10 Torx screwdriver. Remove the two screws holding these two door shelves on. Only the two top shelves we have to remove. We can pump these out and they will disengage from the inside of the door with the tabs. Alright, if the latches are all on there, we can use a screwdriver in the very bottom of it to lever the latch out. We can then grab the top of the pin with the pliers and remove it. To insert the latch, you do the opposite operations. This is a 3mm pin with knurling at the top. It works as well if you have a slightly longer. Tap this down and make sure it goes all the way down. Just check it on the door to check that it's correctly aligned and working. We can now reinsert our door shelves. This flange on the side of the door shelf will fit into the rail on the inside of the door, and then we can push the shelf down and it will lock into these notches on the inside of the door. Same for the top shelf. Insert two holding screws. All done and ready to go.